So the 110 is coming along, but being an automatic, apparently the stock clutch springs are too soft and feel lazy under power. Today, I'm swapping out the OEM springs for these BBR heavy duty ones. This is supposedly going to give the bike a much firmer bite and better power transfer. I've never done something like this before and have close to no clue what I'm supposed to be feeling or comparing, but screw it, let's find out. As we could see here, the BBR springs on the left are significantly bigger than the stock springs on the right. So I'm curious how this is going to feel once it's all put back together. was a fairly quick install. It was pretty straightforward. I know it can get kind of intimidating breaking into the engine, but it wasn't as bad as it seems. When comparing the performance, I can definitely feel a difference in the clutch engagement off the line. I could also feel a little more authority from the bike when it's shifting gears. Depending on your situation, I felt that $45 all around and a few hours of my time wasn't too bad for this upgrade. I'm definitely thinking though that in the future I should upgrade the clutch plates as well, just to see how much more of a difference it'll make. Let's take a look at the side by side for the takeoffs. Looks like there's not a crazy visual difference, but it's one of those things you gotta feel to believe. Better engagement, faster shift response, more authority out of the bike. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.